with flower design and a beautiful. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi dear, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Yes, how are you today guys? So today I'm going to continue my another episode about unboxing makeup haul holiday part 2. Okay guys, actually I only purchased one item from Sephora Singapore. It's the Gucci eyeshadow palette. Yeah guys, and I'm super excited because they give me a lot of free gift. Yeah guys, but before I'm going to unboxing the product for you, make sure you subscribe my channel, on bell notification, like this video, and also don't forget to leave your positive comment on comment section below guys. And please follow my Instagram over here. Okay then let's move on to the unboxing. Let's check the free gift first, okay guys. Okay, first from Sephora, this is the card holder guys. Okay, you know, yeah, I'll get this card holder minimal purchase. I forgot yeah guys, if 150 yeah guys, if I don't wrong. Okay, I really love this because the design really simple and I think this is suitable for me. Yeah guys, and next free gift is a 6 pieces item like this. Okay, minimal spend is $100. Okay, the first they give me the Extreme Lash Mascara from Hourglass. Okay, the packaging like this triangle black color. Okay, and today I wear this mascara. The rest like this. But in my opinion, my own mascara from L'Oreal Paris Last Paradise is better than this one guys. This one like the rest is like normal mascara guys. Yeah guys, I don't know why the rest like this. Maybe because I don't know how to wear this, or I don't know like guys. If you have experience with this mascara, let me know in your with your comment on comment section below. And next they give me the Anastasia this one guys, eyebrow pencil yeah guys. I didn't wear this yeah guys. Okay, I swatch first the. Okay, this one the color is dark brown color, so smooth guys. Okay, and the brush like this, normal yeah guys. This one very good for bring traveling guys. Yeah, I really love 6 pieces they give me from Sephora. And next product I have a 4 lips product yeah guys. Okay, first is from Huda Beauty. This is like a lip balm guys. Okay, okay, I didn't open the plastic with you guys. Something. Okay, and next is the Sephora cream lipstick. Okay, set N1. I wore this yesterday. This is super pigmented and the smell very nice, like a candy smell. And I'm going to swatch for you. You can see guys, I have some lip product from Sephora brand. They are good pigmentation, long lasting, and not make your lips dry. Because of that I really love Sephora lip product guys, like that. Smell very nice guys. You can see how pretty this color. Okay, and next is the Charlie Tilbury long lasting lipstick. This is matte lipstick you guys. You can see guys how cute guys this lipstick. Okay, and the smell also very nice guys. Okay, let's swatches. Oh, the color so pretty, right? I really love this lipstick. So cute guys, so cute. And next is the, what is this? Lip gloss guys. Okay, yesterday also I wear this, the Fenty Beauty lip gloss. Okay, this lip gloss, sorry, this lips guys, oh my god. Okay guys, this lip gloss can make your lips is like plumpy lips like that you guys. And the smell also very nice. Oh my god, but actually I don't like the applicator, guys. You can see so big, guys. And I also love the smell, like candy smell like that. Also, yeah guys, okay, like this, guys, the lip gloss really can make plumpy lips, guys, because yesterday I wore this, guys. Okay, guys, that's all of the free gift from Sephora. Next, let's move on to the Gucci free gift. Oh my god, guys, first I get EDP perfume Parfumim natural sprays size 15 milli. This is for traveling like that. And next I get free lip card. This is from Gucci new lipstick, guys, Rock the Beauty Brilliant. Yeah, guys, so I'm so excited to try this, guys, actually. And this is so surprising, guys. Wow, I get Gucci comb, guys. Oh my god, but actually I don't use this comb to comb my hair, and I really love the cover, guys. Oh my god, I really love this one, guys. So beautiful color. Next, guys, what is this? Gucci pink pouch. Oh my god, I really love this one, guys. Okay, you can see simple design, but inside you can see, guys, full of flowers. Oh my god. And there are 4 pocket over here, guys. Maybe for keep the lipstick or perfume, yeah, or other thing. And look over here, guys, the Gucci logo. Oh my god, I love it a lot, this pouch. Okay, guys, let's see the next free gift. Okay, super excited, guys. I get 3 pieces Gucci floral EDP perfume. If I don't wrong, this is the new perfume from Gucci, but actually I don't really like to collection perfume, guys. Okay, guys, move to the next free gift is the new cushion from Gucci Beauty. Oh my god, this is so cute puff, right? And guys, actually the packaging design like this. And I get shade number 3. Oh my god, guys. And I know you are super excited with this. Ta-da! Just like me. Guys, I waiting 2 days to buy this palette. Actually, this is not available in Sephora website, only available in Sephora store in Iron Orchard. Oh, guys. Wow. With flower design and a beautiful color combination, this eyeshadow looks luxurious. I really like this design, really beautiful and very elegant. So it's perfect for a feminine woman like me. And this is also magnetic packaging, you can see, but I cannot explain the detail of the material. And you can see this color can be used for jelly and bold too. And there is plastic. This is really an eyeshadow protect. And this is the back of the product, guys. Eyeshadow in satin matte metallic finish, size 9 gram and made in Italy. Okay, let's see the box and expired date over here.